Hey guys, so I know I haven't uploaded in a little bit, but I want to show you guys some stuff that I haven't talked to y'all about. So I want to show you guys my car. Now, the reason why I haven't shown it off, especially like when I got it, is because it's a little messed up right now. I have a Mitsubishi Eclipse from 2001. It's a very old car. I do know that with Mitsubishis you have to like really take care of them and stuff, but I work on cars, so like I do mechanic stuff with my dad. So I want to show you guys my car. But one thing is actually I showed it a little bit when I said that I had to duct tape my car, but I didn't show you a lot about it. So I bought this car when I got back from basic training, which I know I have to do a whole video on that. I haven't done that yet, but it'll come. So I bought this car when I got back from basic. That was like October 20th is when I got back, but I bought this like a few days later pretty much. I bought this car completely on my own, with all my own money. Pretty proud about it. It's already messed up. Okay, okay. So let me kind of explain a little bit, because I didn't go into depth. I just showed like the window got messed up and I didn't like talk about it. But basically what happened is in December, she's eating something from the garbage. Stop eating something, stop it. Oh, another thing, I got a puppy. This is my puppy Macy. She is 4 months. She's almost 5. She's an Australian cattle dog. Well, she's Australian cattle dog mix. But that's her, that's Macy. But with this car, I took it up to Michigan because we had some family stuff, which is the 10-hour road trip video, which you should go watch that if you haven't. And while I was up there, I took it through a car wash. I know, it sounds so stupid, but I took it through a car wash, and because it's a convertible, the like liner for the window on the back of like, you know, the convertible part popped out of frame. So my window is popped out. So the new top should be here tomorrow, which I'm super excited and I really hope it comes. The only thing is, me and my dad can't work on it until like Saturday, which really freaking sucks because I have not had this car on the road. But today, we're going to take it out of the garage, not for very long, not very far, because I got to clean it out and make it look nice. So when I drive it, you know, yeah. But I'm going to show you the car a little bit and kind of let you guys see what we're doing with. The one thing, the window is messed up and there's quite a few other things I got to fix too on it. I have a messed up belt in the front, so I got to get that replaced, which is not fun because the engine is sideways, which makes life a little bit harder. Anyway, I know, also parts, stop it! You're gonna get sick. I also know that the lights in the front are messed up, which I'm going to show here in a minute. So let's just look at the car. Right, so this is the back. The window's a little hard to see, but like right here, there should be a window and like my hand can fall through it. Yeah. So, but wow, the lighting is terrible in here. Maybe when I take it out, I'll show you better. But this right here was before I got it, so I'm assuming that this car was in a bit of a car accident. But this is the bumper. Sorry, I don't know why the lighting is so bad, but this is the bumper. Oh, I forgot I had the dog. Come here. Come here, babies. Come above us. Come above us. Let's go inside. So then the dog's inside. You might be able to see it better. No, you still can't. There's no window back here, basically. So over here, this right here was why I think it was in a car accident. This was before I got it. This bumper isn't that badly messed up. This happened, I went in a ditch. Okay. I wasn't very hurt. This is all that really came out of it is this, and it doesn't really need the duct tape. I just don't want like it to get hit and then it completely fall off, so I need to get that fixed. Here you can see, yeah, and as well, it is missing a bright, and that one doesn't even work. So yeah, this is what the car looks like though. Alright guys. Now, because the belt is messed up, she's gonna be a little, or he, this is a he car, he's gonna be a little squealy, so keep that in mind. But you can see there's no window back there. Like, it's gone. Whew. It wasn't that squealy. Interesting. Oh, she runs nice. So we're gonna take off the because it's easier to clean out this car.
Crowd bouncing like pogos. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up their eye like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. And everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to.
Okay, guys, so I'm a little excited because my package just came. So, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, I had to get a new convertible top for my car because mine got messed up with the window. But it's here. Y'all, I'm so pumped. There's my dog. We're gonna open it right now because I want to see it, and I've been waiting for so long for this. I'm gonna go get a thing for it. I'll be right back. Because I wasn't sure if it was going to come with the black window, the back window, which is the whole problem with my car, but it does, and I'm excited. So I gotta check the box because it's supposed to come with instructions, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So this is it. It's a little hard to see because the lighting's bad, but this is the back window. This is the whole problem with my car. If you didn't see earlier in the video. But yeah. Now I have a massive amount of bubble wrap to play with. Y'all don't understand how excited I am. Literally, when the door went off, like they rang the doorbell, I was so hyped. Is there no instructions? Y'all, it didn't come with instructions. You mean to tell me I gotta figure this out on my own? YouTube. Alright, well when I ordered this, it literally told me that it would come with instructions. So now I'm really gonna have to hope that YouTube is helpful. Oh boy. Dang, cause I was like excited I was gonna look them over and be prepared for when my dad got here and we could work on it. Dang. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this. This is it feels like a different material than what I have on mine currently, but it doesn't mean make a big difference. I know it's in the right one. I know when you order this, okay, so I have a Mitsubishi Eclipse. I've probably said that already like a few times in this video. But it's from the year 2000 to 2005 is this top can go for. So I'm figuring mine is specially made, like the one on it now was specially made for it. It's Pacific year, whereas this one goes for a range of them. So I really hope I'm not getting screwed right now. If this doesn't work, I'm literally out of like $300 because that's how much it cost to get it. But I'm figuring me and my dad can make it work. So yeah. I'm gonna have fun with some bubble wrap, that's for sure. So I'm gonna call my dad and tell him like what's going on and like that I just got it and everything, and I'm gonna see what he says. I feel like he's gonna be like,
You've reached Arnold. Sorry, I can't take your call.
bruh. Okay, I'm gonna call my mom. She'll have something funny to say, I'm sure.
Please leave your message for...
Yo, can I call somebody and tell them, bro, this is exciting, and nobody's picking up their phone. It's my life, honestly. Damn, I don't know who to call. I'm gonna call. Yeah, we're gonna try this. She should pick up. Guess I was wrong. Yo, I just want to tell somebody my news.
The voice?
Fucking voicemail is full. I don't know what's the call back. My mom said call back.
Hey, girlfriend.
Hey, Mom.
I'm driving home, so I couldn't answer you when you called.
Oh, okay.
I'm at a stoplight, so I better pick it up. What's going on?
Oh, I want to tell you my good news.
What good news?
I got my car top.
You got what?
My car top.
Oh.
Yeah.
What, you ordered a new one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I needed
Well,
replacing.
that's awesome. So you can drive Romeo again.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay, you got it, but is it on?
No, I just have it right now. Me and Dad gotta put it on.
Okay.
Mhm.
Hopefully that's not too hard.
I don't think it will be.
Okay. Well, that's wonderful. Thank you for letting me know.
Yeah.
So I'm going to let you go, okay?
All right.
All right. Love you, babe.
Love you too.
Yeah, call once in a while, okay?
I will.
Doesn't have to be for a reason. Just say hi.
Okay.
Okay. Love ya.
Love you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright. Hey guys, so a lot is going on right now, so we could not replace the top by ourselves. So we were taking it to get fixed, and I'm gonna be able to get it tomorrow. I'm so excited to have my car back and driving mine. I know there's so much other stuff I have to do, but I can do it myself, so it's not an issue. So we're driving a good 30 minutes right now to go to the place. I should be able to pick it up tomorrow, but the thing is, I also have to help my dad go get a car in a different state. So I don't know what's gonna happen when we talk to him. But yeah, let me tell you, it has not been raining. I'm sorry if you can't see me. It's probably bad lighting. But it has not been raining all freaking day. And if you don't know, that window back there is gone. Okay? So I'm now in the rain. I'm now in the rain with freaking no window, back window. And I have towels on my seat, and we have to take see. It's raining. It's not fun. But we're gonna get there, and we're gonna get my car back because I freaking miss it so much. And my friend is driving behind me in the car I've been in.